Hi, this is Andy Fliss, and we're at our tvONE stand at the ISE 2020 show, and we're very excited to be introducing another new powerful product. This is called Pathfinder. Pathfinder is a KVM system that is zero latency and it allows us to do 4K KVM operations. What we're seeing here is 3 4K monitors showing 4 1080p computer situations on each one. So essentially I just hover over a monitor and hit my control key twice and it takes over the screen. We're showing a zero latency on true measurement. We say it's 5 milliseconds, but it really is zero. So we have the ability to show 4 4Ks on one. That feature we call window view. We also can move between 4 monitors showing 4 1080p's, and that's called CrossClick. Essentially, a single station with a single mouse can control 16 PCs. So a single operator with a mouse and keyboard, 16 PCs. We can expand this system beyond 3,000 endpoints. It operates on standard networks, which can be fiber, and the 4K version will operate on 10 gig networks, and the 1080p HD version will operate on a 1 gig network. Extremely powerful. And the nice thing about Pathfinder and what tvONE is doing with it is for every unit that we sell for Pathfinder, we are making a donation to support breast cancer research. It's a very important factor for us. Come learn more about it at www.tvone.com.